Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, today we have something very special for you. This is the photograph of legendary Karl Marx, who was born and raised in Trier, in what was then Prussia. In 1841, he obtained his doctorate in philosophy. After his marriage in 1843, Marx and his wife moved to Paris. Most of Marx's writings have been preserved. They include not only his books, but also most of his correspondence and the notes of his speeches, such as philosophic essays, the Communist Manifesto, the Kapital, his theory of production and society, the class struggle, etc., etc. Dear viewers, in our studio we have someone who deeply idolizes Karl Marx. He lives in Karachi. Let's speak to him, although he doesn't speak much. What do you feel when people address you as Karl Marx of Karachi? You like it? Yes, he says yes. He himself is a thinker and philosopher in his own right. His name is Uzair Asim. He lives in Karachi. Thank you very much.
Please subscribe to our channel. Through this channel, we plan to present you the works of great poets and artists of the Arab world. We also seek to bring you the works of celebrated poets and writers of the Soviet era, including Pasternak and Tolstoy.
Thank you very much. Many أبو سرفراز أحمد يربط الوجدة أنا سرفراز أحمد نائب رئيس التحرير في جريدة كراتشي باكستان زندباد.